Hello and welcoming you all back to Pavithra.C.R YouTube channel. I am Pavithra, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Business Administration PG at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we will be looking on to a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. We have been discussing about what is creativity actually, what is creativity and decision making, what are the creative practices, what are the types of creativity, and in this video, we will be looking on to the different stages of creativity, 5 different stages of creativity in this video. Without any more delay, let us move into the video that discusses about the 5 stages of creativity. So first, talking about creativity, as we all discussed priorly in the previous video, it is something, a process of bringing something new into the organization, whereas a creative decision making is the ability to consider all perspectives and solve a problem in a new and an innovative approach. It can establish new or a better alternative that offers a new method or help the organization to produce a better service for the customers. So balancing creative decision making with an analytical outlook helps business consider all options when solving an issue or carrying out the task. So creative decision making is a tedious process where it deals with an organization success with lots of risk factors. But apart from those risk factors, facing those risks and challenges and moving on towards the goal of the organization and making a better decision, creative decision would lead to the success of the organization. Now coming on to the 5 stages of creativity. So the stages of creativity are the preparation stage, incubation stage, illumination stage, evaluation stage, and an implementation stage. So talking about the preparation stage. Preparation stage is the stage where first of all we would identify what is the problem statement. So now we are bringing a creative process into a business. So we are bringing a solution. So first and foremost, there arises a problem in an organization and we have to bring in a solution to the existing problem. In that case, the first step to bring in a creative process would be the stage of preparation. We have to first prepare ourselves towards inculcating or bringing forward a solution to an existing problem. In that case, in case of a preparation stage, first and foremost, we would identify what is the problem statement. And secondly, we would understand is the problem is new to an organization or it is a repeated problem. So in case it is a repeated problem, the solution would be an usual one. If it is a new one, we would give a new one innovative approach. For old ideas also we could change into a new creative ideas, that whereas this problem wouldn't arise this the next time, this problem wouldn't repeat. So preparation stage is an inspiration phase where we prepare ourselves to bring in a solution to an existing problem in an organization. Coming on to an incubation stage, it is a stage where the information and inspiration you just breathe in soak into your very core. In this stage of creative process, it may not even feel like we are really doing something, or subconsciously that's actually doing all the work. In that sense, you can lightly step into a creative process. So incubation stage is something making an idea or a step or a process to move on. So that is called as an incubation stage. Coming on to an illumination stage. Illumination stage is that an experimental type of stage, whereas we are identifying whether this would be more feasible to adapt to this kind of a situation. So this would called as an illumination stage. Moving on to an uh, moving on to an evaluation stage. Evaluation stage is a stage where we are applying our ideas and process into an action. So we are evaluating. So we wouldn't implement those action 100%, but we would implement the 50% of our idea and look on to a pilot study whether this is uh, accepts to an organization? Is it feasible for an organization to implement this kind of an action? What would be the success rate of this organization? What would be the difficulty levels? What would be the pros and cons of implementing this kind of an action? So this would be as an evaluation stage. Coming on to the implementation stage. Implementation stage is a stage where we are implementing a process. We are implementing, bringing out our ideas into an action. So this kind of a stage is called as an implementation stage. So these are the 5 stages of creativity and decision making process. So that's it about the creativity and stages of creativity and decision making process. We were seeing about the preparation stage, incubation stage, elimination stage, evaluation stage, and implementation stage. In the next video, we will be looking on to the techniques of fostering creativities, and we will be looking on to the case studies, and we will be looking on to the mental blocks and various interesting topics. So see you all in the next video. Thank you.